New at 4, Hispanic Heritage Month is a great time to celebrate cultural achievements and the contributions of the Hispanic community here in the U.S. It's always a good time to talk about health.
Our Andrea Williams is here now to shed light on how Planned Parenthood of Wisconsin is helping break barriers. Hi, Andrea.
Good afternoon, Susan and Steve. Hispanics are the largest and fastest growing minority racial and ethnic population in Wisconsin, but according to the Wisconsin Department of Health Services, they also have the highest uninsured rates of any other group in the U.S. Maria Barker has worked at Planned Parenthood of Wisconsin for 39 years. She currently serves as a director of Latinx programs and initiatives.
Approximately 35 to 37% of the Latino population in Wisconsin is uninsured.
People without health care insurance often avoid going to the doctor, usually because of the cost of care. But for some Latinos, language barriers also play a role.
For people who have a challenge with language access, for people who are just arriving to the United States from countries that typically see people on a walk-in basis, it is a system very new.
Planned Parenthood of Wisconsin works hard to not only provide health care for everyone, whether or not they have insurance, they also provide culturally relevant services and language access.
Language line service is a phone interpretation services that people have a right to. It's not just if a healthcare entity wants to provide it, it is the law.
Maria says that's a good resource, but perhaps not the best. In her opinion, another great option is hiring someone who not only knows and understands the culture, but also speaks the language, like a promotores de salud.
We hire them as private consultants to reach the networks and the communities and the neighborhoods they live in with information not only pertinent to healthcare, but civic engagement as well.
When it comes to women's health, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention report that the maternity mortality rate for Latino women jumped sharply in 2020, up 44% from the year before. Stats also show that 61% of Hispanic mothers are part of the workforce and juggle multiple roles, including caring for aging parents.
We try to talk to women and help them understand the importance of taking some time out of their busy schedule to care for their well-being.
Maria Barker's ultimate goal is to make sure people know their value, how to lift their voices, and how to seek out community resources available to them. Very important work that they're doing, and Planned Parenthood of Wisconsin provides affordable, quality, and confidential health care that includes preventative care, vaccines, labs, and tests to nearly 60,000 people each year at 22 centers right across Wisconsin.
Andrea, at my age, I always learn something from your stories. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.